My name is Sarah Jane, and I am a systems business analyst today. I joined Advanced Career last year, August, and I finished my course in September now. In terms of the training I got from Advanced Career, it was very good. I'd gone somewhere else before and I wasn't really satisfied with the training I got, but with Advanced Career I was really happy. So in terms of what you get, you would have like your normal tutorials where they teach you on how to become a business analyst. After each tutorial you would have your coursework, which is really good because then you can go home and do a bit of research and challenge yourself to understand what's been taught over the past few weeks. I think the most important thing is that within Advanced Careers they were using the real industry, the real life tools, tools that are used in industry. That was really good. So when you transition into the industry, it's not very daunting. You're like, oh, I didn't really use this. It was really good. You also get like a project after your course, so that's an excellent opportunity because you work with project managers and testers and QAs, and those are the type of people that you'll be working with when you are carrying out a project within industry. Now, I was a bit feisty. I could not wait an extra 3 months to do a project. I just believed that I had enough to get me going, and I started applying. I started applying maybe in October, and by February I'd already gotten my first business analyst job. In terms of the tech industry, I think tech is everything now. Like, technology continues to advance. Like, we are seeing situations where manual labor is being replaced by tech. Artificial intelligence is coming into play now. So there's a lot of tech. Is not going anywhere. Tech is the future, to be very sincere. So if you're thinking of becoming a business analyst, the tech industry is definitely one that's not going away anytime soon, to be very sincere. Not like the travel agencies. Where do I see myself in a couple of years? I am targeting myself to do my qualifications for now, take up a bit more courses. You always have to do that year after year. You have to improve yourself because competition is only going to get tighter, so you need to be one step ahead. And I see myself going into more of like a Salesforce analyst at some point. If you are someone who is thinking about becoming a business analyst, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Like, I'm telling you, I was a pharmaceutical my background is pharmaceutical science, and I'm like, how does it even make sense? Our worlds apart. Don't be scared. Don't think negative. Going with an open mind, going with the ability that you can learn. If I can do it, you can do it. You have great support. If not even from David, the founder of the company, you have other people who have his success stories that are always willing to pick up the phone and call you and advise you on what it takes to become a business analyst and what the industry is like and how you should prepare yourself and interview questions. Another thing I forgot to ask, they also help you prepare your CV, which is great because that's what I needed to get my CV out there. So it's the whole package. Why not go for it? So if you're thinking about becoming a business analyst, Advanced Career is the place to be, is the place to go. So don't think too long. Just pick up the phone, go for a course, jump on a project, and I'm sure you would not regret it. Take care. Bye.